Hi everybody and welcome back. In this lecture we're going to continue our exploration of Python's methods and we're going to talk about the lower method. So what exactly does that mean? Well, it does exactly what it says on the tin. So let's go back to our name example. So we have name and we're going to start with our open and closing double quotes and we're going to input my name, or as you type your name, and we're going to put it in all uppercase characters like this. Tony Staunton in uppercase. So let's assume someone has entered their name into your shiny new web program and it's all in uppercase like this. Obviously we don't want to put that into a database or into our storage system, which may be a file like this. We want it all the same because some people might enter their name in lowercase or they might capitalize the first initial like we saw in a previous example. So what we want going into our database has to be all the same and all the same formatted information. So what we can use here is Python's lower method. So as we've seen with other methods, we have dot, L-O-W-E-R, open and close our brackets. And what that will do now is it will lower the string Tony Staunton to all lowercase characters. So let's have a look at what we get. Print name, and let's run this program. Command and B if you're on a Mac. And perfect. Here we have now down here in the bottom right, Tony Staunton, all in nice lower characters, cleanly formatted and ready to go into our database or any other file storage system. So that's a quick introduction into Python's lower method. To be honest, it's one of my favorite because it's very useful and it's used all the time. I hope that was easy enough and I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.